These are the elevators at the Unscripted Hotel in Durham, North Carolina. These are originally old, this is, but they were modernized by, I don't even know. But before, and here we go up. Are these traction? I hope these are traction. Okay, nice, they are traction. Four. Back to number one. A loud chime. I think the original Otis door permit, maybe partly, I don't know. It's a basic and nice cab. There's a mirror right there. Certificate installed in 1963. TQ Business Complex. This might have used to be an office building. I don't think this was always this hotel. But one, this doesn't really look like a hotel from the outside. How close is it not going to get?